Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 11 in Microsoft Excel. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to use the find versus the find and replace option in Microsoft Excel. The advantages of doing this will be that this will allow you to find alphanumeric and or numeric characters within your spreadsheet, and this will help in locating words that you've used repetitiously and replace them with similar words. So let's go into Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to show you how to use the find versus the find and replace option. As you can see, I've gone into Microsoft Excel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the find versus the find and replace option within your Excel spreadsheet. In column A, I've got a list of numbers, and I want to replace all of the number 10s within my data range with the number 7. Now, in a small data range like this, I could easily go into cell A1, A5, A8, and A10 and replace all of these 10s with the number 7. But if I had a large data range, let's say that I had 500 numbers, it would be very time consuming for me to try to do this manually. So I'm going to let Excel do the work for me. And if you have a list of numbers that you want to run the find and replace on, go up and highlight the entire data range that you want to select. Next, make sure that you're in the Home tab of your ribbon toolbar, and under the editing portion of Excel, you'll see an option for find and select. When you choose this option, you're given more options such as find, replace, go to special, and all of these other commands listed directly beneath it. In this tutorial, we're going to be using the find and the replace option. So once your data range is set, left click one time on find, and your find and replace box will come up on your screen. And as you can see under find what, I've already entered the number 10. In the next tab where it says replace, I'm going to replace that number with the number 7. And I have all of my numbers entered in for all of my search criteria, so I could start hitting replace right now. But I want to show you a little bit of a shortcut. Instead of hitting your find option under find and select, go down and select the replace option, because this will automatically bring you up in the replacement tab in the find and replace option. So now that all of my data has been entered in, watch what happens to the number 10 in cell A1 when I click on replace. You'll see that the number 10 has now been replaced with the number 7, and it's gone down and it's highlighted my second occurrence. So I could just keep hitting replace each time, and when I get done, it'll finish out, and now all of the number 10s have been replaced with the number 7. Now there's a faster way to do this, because if you had a data range, say 500 numbers, it would be very time consuming to just keep hitting replace each and every time. So I'm going to go back to my undo button and put the number 10 back in my data range. Now instead of hitting the replace tab, I'm going to hit replace all, and watch what happens. You'll see that you'll be given a message and it says all done, we made 4 replacements, and when I click on OK, you'll see that all of the number 10s in cell A1, A5, A8, and A10 have now been replaced with the number 7. So that's how you use the find and replace option for numerical characters within your Excel spreadsheet. Now let's look at an example of how we can use the find and replace for alphanumerics. Now that we've done a find and replace on numerical characters, let's do a find and replace on alphanumerics. I've got a list of words in column A, and I want to replace the word blue in cell A1, A4, and A8 with the word aqua. Again, I'm going to highlight my data range, go back to the editing portion of Excel and click on find and select, and then I'm going to choose replace. Under my find what criteria, I've already got the word blue, and my replace with criteria, I've already got the word aqua. So I can keep hitting replace 3 times to replace all of the blues with the word aqua. Or I can go back up and I'm going to hit the undo button 3 times to put the word blue back in, and instead of hitting replace, I'm going to hit replace all. And again, it gives me the message, all done, we made 3 replacements. So this is how you use the find and replace option for alphanumerics and numerical characters within your Excel spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.